Here we're getting ready to put back this door panel. First, you can connect the cables for the window switch. Down here, press them in until you hear them click. We have a cable right here, that's for the door. There's a small speaker up here. And then that's the window, the side mirror switch. This clip needs to be on the bottom. Once you do that, let's come over here and put this back. That's the cable for the door. For the door lock. Engage it like that and then press it in until you hear it click. You probably want to test this before you close the panel. It seems to be working. Now the next thing that you need to do is this right here needs to engage right there. There we go. So you'll lift this up, the door panel up, and then make sure it first goes in there in that channel and push it in. The next thing we need to do is we gotta make sure that those pins that you saw around, they are aligned, and they can go in. And it seems, looking around, seems that they're all good. You can go ahead and just press the door panel in. Once you do that, we have two screws, one there, and the other one that we had was down here. And we'll go ahead and put those in. And that's it.